Hey, what's up guys? I decided that I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on how to do the wiper delete on the Dodge Durango. I've been searching online, I couldn't find anything regarding the Dodge Durango, so I decided I'm gonna do a video myself, I guess. My English is not too good, so forgive me. Manayad manizid. So first thing we gotta do is remove this piece. Then inside we gotta remove this piece to expose the other side of the wiper. And also you're gonna need one of these kits. It's a billet wiper delete kit. I got this one from Z-Spec Design. It's just this little thing here, which I'm gonna show you later on. But first thing we gotta do is get this main piece off, which is pretty easy. All you have to do is pop this piece up. That's gonna expose this, and we're gonna take this off. I'm gonna take it off real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I got this piece off, the only thing that's left is this right here that we gotta take out from the inside now. So now the next step is we have to remove this piece, which can be hard. I know I've broken it once when I was changing out my reverse lights, but there are a few clips in here that's really on there. How we go about removing this piece is you have to start here, take these out, and then you start prying this away from the clips. So I'm gonna take mine off right now and I'll show you. Okay, so now that I got that piece off, which was easier the second time, like I said, it's all clips. They have these pain in the ass clips that are really hard to get off the first time. Second time was a little bit easier. Other than the clips, you have to remove the wiring for the trunk light. There's two of them. Try to remove that before removing the panel. So now we have the opposite side of the wiper blade to remove. First thing we got to do is remove this wiring here, which is pretty easy, and then unscrew these. So I'm gonna do that right now. So that was easy enough. After you remove the 3 screws here, it comes right out and it looks like this. So that's that part. Now on the other side, what we have left is this piece to remove. So once we remove this piece, then we can put in the wiper delete kit, and I'll show you that in a second. So this piece, you just pull it out. So now you have that gaping hole in the back of your glass, and we're gonna cover that up. So the kit is really simple. It's just these 2 pieces. One is gonna go on the inside, the other one is gonna go on the outside. I'll show you that right now. So this piece is gonna go on the inside of the vehicle, and this is gonna be on the outside of the glass. And then it comes with this screw to hold it in place. Alrighty, so like I said, it's 2 pieces. One goes inside here, and you tighten it onto the other side, on the outside of the glass. Once you align it to how you want it to be, it should look like that. No more wiper blade. Deleted. So yeah, that's my little video. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the delete kit. That way, if you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead and get one. I think it looks good, man. Thank you for watching my video.